Are you looking for a vacation rental home or investment property, short-term rental in Nashville, Tennessee? Today I have a beautiful tiny home for you to check out. We're gonna go see it right now. Let's go. All right, I'm excited to share with you my newest listing. This one is a brand new site-built tiny home. You're gonna love it. Stick around and see the pictures of the inside of this place. I have a friend who furnished this place and planned the designs for it. It is absolutely incredible. Nothing else is gonna give you some great ideas for your own investment property or tiny home. But I wanna tell you a little bit about this area. So this one is about an hour and a half away from Nashville. So in an area called Tracy City. You're also about an hour from Chattanooga, so you're almost in the middle there between Nashville and Chattanooga. And this could be a vacation home for you if you want to go and have a place by a lake, and if you want to go fishing and kayaking, all that stuff. It's a good place for that, but it's also a good place to do a short-term rental. This area has an on-site property management company that handles your Airbnb if you want them to. And so, or you could do both, right? You could stay, block the times out when you want to personally stay, and then open up the rest of the year for short-term rentals for people to come and enjoy the space. And so the area, this neighborhood is called the Water's Edge Retreat Center. There's a few developments like this, and this is the newest one in the area. You're kind of close to that Monteagle area. So I want to tell you a little bit more about this community. It's a gated community, and you have a 95-acre lake on the property. Beautiful lake, peaceful lake. You have kayak rentals. If you don't have your own kayak, you have kayak and bike storage. If you have your own, you can leave them there, which is nice. You have tons of hiking trails. There's a playground. There's a lot of community areas that you can do. There's pavilions, and then there's also fire pits that are community, the whole community owns and can use. This specific house has its own fire pit outside, and then a covered porch and everything, so you have your own space for that as well, but you can also use the community spaces as well. This tiny house is steps away from that saltwater pool, so it's almost like it's your own, so you have access to that as well. But just a beautiful area, great investment property. You can go onto the website. I'm going to put the link in the description here of the Waters Retreats website. You can go there and fill out a pro forma to put in your own specific information as far as if you're going to get a mortgage, how much you'd be putting down, what you think your interest rate would be, all that stuff. And it will tell you, it'll give you a pro forma of what you could potentially make on the investment side of this. Again, you have to decide if you want to use it for an investment or a vacation home, but just beautiful home, fully furnished. All the furniture stays. And so let's give you some of the specs about this one. So it's 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath, 860 square feet, and this one's listed at $580,000. The 2 bedrooms, one you have a king size bed in it. The other one is 2 bunk beds, four beds that are built-ins, and so you can sleep 6 in beds, and then you could have 2 more people in the living room area sleep on a fold-out couch. I got to be honest, when I first looked at this, I was not thinking that it would go for $580, but that's what this neighborhood's going for. It's crazy. You can at least make some money back on this as an investment property and then enjoy it for yourself. That's the specs of the house. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Comment below, let me know you think. And if this is the first time to my channel, I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. We do investments as well. I've personally owned 8 Airbnbs, and so I know that space very well. If you've seen my other videos about Airbnbs, know that was talking specifically about Davidson County and all the rules and regulations around it in Davidson County. When you get out of the city into the country, there's a lot fewer regulations, so you don't have to worry about any of those. If you did watch that video and you're thinking, well, how can we do this on this one? It's not the same when you get out of the city. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna put my phone number and email here at the bottom. Book a one-on-one consultation with me. I would love to meet you, talk to you face to face, and hear about what you're looking for on the investment side or the vacation side, or if you're moving to Nashville from out of state. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's go check it out. That was a short tour, I know, but with only 860 square feet, there's not a whole lot to show you, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the finishes and the furnishings of this place. Again, my friend did an amazing job. She owns a business called Oak, one of a kind here in Nashville, and they do a lot of furnishings for Airbnbs and things like that. Just did an absolute gorgeous job on this. Comment below, let me know what you think about this home. And you know, again, it's still for sale right now. If you're watching it, maybe I'll update the description if it, you know, once it goes under contract. But if you're watching this today, it's probably still for sale. Hope you enjoy. If you're interested in this neighborhood or homes like this, tiny homes or investment properties, let me know. And again, as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping people find their next home here in Nashville or the surrounding areas. And I'll see you next time on the Nashville Life. Later.